One of the most popular actresses from the UK is Emma Watson. She is best known for her role as Hermione Granger in the Harry Potter film series. Her portrayal of the intelligent and resourceful young witch made her a household name and earned her critical acclaim worldwide. I admire this actress so much, and she is one of the most famous film actresses from my country. Emma Watson has appeared in a variety of films since her breakthrough role. She starred in The Perks of Being a Wallflower, a coming-of-age drama, and The Bling Ring, a film about a group of teenagers who rob celebrity homes. Additionally, she played Belle in Disney's live-action adaptation of Beauty and the Beast, showcasing her versatility as an actress. Born in Paris and raised in England, Watson began acting at a young age. She was discovered while still at school and quickly became a global star with the Harry Potter series. Despite her early fame, she has managed to balance her acting career with her education, graduating from Brown University with a degree in English literature. Emma Watson's popularity stems from several factors. Her exceptional acting skills and charismatic screen presence draw audiences in, while her choice of diverse roles demonstrates her range as an actress. Additionally, she is well regarded for her advocacy on gender equality and her work with the United Nations as a goodwill ambassador, which has further endeared her to the public. Her blend of talent and activism has made her not only a celebrated actress but also a role model for many.